Hello, my lovely foodie members. Welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is saying all good. As you all know from the title, I am making Ghanaian dry puff puff recipe in 2 different ways. In fact, you're going to love this. So all you have to do right now is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Afia. Kindly do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So in my clean bowl, I'll go in with some all-purpose flour. I'll be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. Next, I also go in with half cup of sugar. Moving forward, I'll crack in 2 eggs. You can use 1 if that is what you want, okay? Moving forward, I also go in with my nutmeg. I'm using half teaspoon of nutmeg. Next, I'll go in with about 4 tablespoons of evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon of active dried yeast. Next, I'll go in with some salt to taste, and I'll also go in with some vanilla essence to give it extra flavor. Feel free to use any flavor of your choice. Moving forward, I also go in with 2 tablespoons of salted butter or margarine. I will stir everything together, and once that is done, I also go in with some fresh whole milk. If you don't want to use milk, use water instead, okay? Now let's combine everything together using the spatula. You can also go in with your hands right now, and we're going to mix everything together until it forms a very beautiful dough. All the dough comes out from the bowl very nicely, just the way you see it on your screens right now. Always remember to go in with your liquid little by little, so that should in case you don't have any excess flour, your dough won't turn out to be very soft, okay? So now let's knead it on the working surface, just the way you see it on your screens right now. If the dough is also sticking on the working surface, just sprinkle more flour to the working surface, and we will knead until it becomes very stiff and stretchy, just the way you see it on the screens right now. One more thing, the kneading process in this recipe is very important. So if you don't want to stress yourself using your hand, you can also use your machine mixer to mix your dough, and trust me, it works perfectly fine. Now let's knead the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes with our hands, and as you can see, it looks super stretchy and very soft at the same time. So now that the dough is nice and very stretchy, all that is left right now is to cut it into 2 equal parts, and I'm going to set one aside, and for the other half I'm going to go in with a little bit of turmeric powder, and that is what is going to give it that yellow color that you normally see on market. Some people choose to go in with yellow food color, and that's just fine. If you don't have the yellow food color, feel free to use turmeric powder and you are good to go. Now I'm going to knead the dough for about 5 minutes for it to change into a yellow color, just like this. As you can see, it's looking super good and perfect. Now the only difference in this two is just the color. Some people choose to go in with yellow food color to make it more inviting and appetizing, so you can choose not to add it, and that's just fine, okay? So now let's fold or mold the dough into a beautiful round ball shape, just the way you see it on the screens right now. Always remember to seal your dough very well so that it won't open in the frying process. Alright, so now while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after molding everything, I'll cover the dough for about 30 to 1 hour, and after 1 hour it has really doubled in size very well, and that's what I'm looking for. Now all that is left right now is to start to heat up some cooking oil, and we're going to fry this right away. One thing we should also consider is not to make the oil very hot, because we really want this dry puff puff to really come out very nice and golden. So on a low medium heat, we're going to fry this until it turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. As always, I'll be coming back to check on it from time to time. If you are still with me at this point and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and delicious puff puff recipe as well. Also do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, because it is absolutely free. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now after frying the dough on low medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, this is the outcome. It is turning out just perfect and just as I want. And so I'm going to flip it over for the other side to also fry a little bit for about 2 minutes, and afterwards everything should be ready. This dry puff puff was just a banger. It was really delicious, and I hope you are going to try your hands on, and your entire family are really going to enjoy this recipe. Alright, so after frying the other side for about 2 minutes, this is the outcome. It looks super good and just inviting. Now let's set this aside. We're going to place this on a paper towel to also absorb the oil on it a little bit, and we're going to repeat the same process until all the puff puff is nice and ready, just like this. Alright, so fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this dry puff puff in 2 different ways. Are you going for the yellow puff puff? As you can see, it looks super good, right? Or you're going for the white dry puff puff? It tastes the same but just different colors. Trust me, all you have to do right now is to trust the process, as I always say. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and see you in my next upload. Bye.